And good afternoon, I'm Ruben Ramirez with your Financial Advisor Forum. Greg Greenberg is off today. CAIS is helping independent investment advisors gain access to investment products that have traditionally been available to institutional investors only. Here with us is Matt Brown, co-founder and CEO of CAIS. Matt, thanks so much for joining us.
Ruben, thanks for having me.
Now, when you look at that wide variety of products that are out there, which ones are you seeing the most demand from for CAIS?
Well, the independent advisor right now, the RIA or the independent broker-dealer advisor, is very much focused on institutional quality products. So before they even get to exactly what the product is, what they'd like to see is that the construct and pricing of that product are of institutional quality, so non-retail. So once they get past that layer, so they can buy the products that are in the best interest of their clients, we're seeing a huge menu of products that are trying to enter the channel, but the ones that are in the most demand right now are typically the ones that they have the hardest time to access, which are alternative investment funds and alternative investment funds and products.
And so is it going to be really in 2014 the alternative investment products that these investment advisors will be looking for to add to their clients' portfolios?
We are seeing that as the biggest demand. You know, the traditional asset classes are readily available, utilized often, but the newest add to the portfolio and the big add through some of the new liquid alternatives and making these more accessible to portfolios, that will be the big add for 2014.
And how is this product different than what people at traditional wirehouses use? How does this compare, and what's different about investment advisors, independent advisors that use this product?
Well, the wirehouse, the big wirehouses have of course built in one way, shape, or form their own platforms. So what they're trying to do in a closed architecture fashion is to provide their financial advisors who work for those firms with products and services and the intellectual capital that surrounds those products to be able to make decisions. What's lacking in the independent space is a centralized location or operating platform for those products. So what CAIS has done, and what's unique and different about CAIS as a firm, is that we're the first platform that has centralized many of the services and products that traditionally were in wirehouses and now making them readily available for advisors, which means they can compete with a broad menu of products, and they can service their clients with the same types of products that wirehouse advisors have traditionally had access to.
And so what sort of interest are you seeing from independent advisors over the past year, let's say?
It's been quite substantial. The overall trend of advisors wanting to be independent, which is the big trend that we saw over the past few years, kind of post-2008, has driven large demand for these products. So month over month, we monitor the flows of our platform, and we're seeing increasing flows every month since the inception of the platform.
Matt, thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks so much.
We've been speaking with Matt Brown, co-founder and CEO of CAIS. In New York, I'm Ruben Ramirez. Thanks for joining us.